Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Romeo review. We're going to be taking a close look at Romeo, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be showing you the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best outcome with Romeo. Romeo goes live on the 26th of October by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a text to speech software. Romeo allows you to convert any text into natural human sounding voices. Now, this gives you the opportunity to do this in up to 195 stunning human voices. So you have a vast majority, or you have a vast collection of voices to actually convert your text into. And there are so many ways you can actually make money with this. Now, I have seen on YouTube channels that have their videos based 100% on these voices. You can just basically copy text, you can paste it, you can separate your text with commas and punctuations to make this text, or to make this speech, sound as natural as possible. Now, you also get access to 35 different languages to use this. So this actually comes in handy, and this is so easy to use. There is no learning curve. As a matter of fact, if you can copy and paste, you can actually make money with Romeo. Talking about making money with Romeo, I just went on Fiverr and I decided to go and search for text to speech with software. Now, this is not even voiceover. This is real. This is also just text to speech. And I discovered that there are a ton of people right now on Fiverr who are actually offering these services and actually getting paid. And all that is needed, all they are going to have to do is to just copy and paste into this software. You are only going to need to copy and paste into Romeo, and then click create to get these MP4 sounds, and all this text is going to be converted into speech for you, which you can download, come to Fiverr, come and deliver your order. And you can basically do this for, imagine just doing that. It doesn't take you 5 minutes, so to speak. You are not going to be the one doing the actual voice over. You are just going to copy the text, paste it into the space provided in Romeo, and then click create, and then you can actually get your voice. And then you can charge someone $10, and even if it's a premium option, up to $40 for less than 5 minutes of work. I think this is actually cool. So you can actually get Romeo for a one-time low fee of $17, and then make your money back in just 1 gig or just 2 gig, and then you are actually on your way to making a ton of money. Now, if you decide not to use Romeo, if you decide not to render this as a service on Fiverr, now I'm going to be giving you access to some bonuses that actually show you how to use Romeo to literally make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. There are actually a number of ways you can actually use Romeo to make money. This does not require any experience at all, and there's no learning curve for you to be able to use Romeo. So right now I'm going to show you my custom bonuses, then I'm going to let you see briefly how Romeo works. So you're going to find the link to my bonus page in the description of this video. My first bonus, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that allows you to embed banners in other people's videos. Now, this does not require content creation at all. You can actually place links on these videos and make them show up, at any point within the playback, maybe at the beginning, or maybe after 5 seconds, or after 10 seconds, or the choice is up to you. Now you get access to done for you resources like call to action buttons. You can create call to actions. You can add forms on videos. That's opt-in forms. You can add them on videos and actually build your list. Also, you can send people to any affiliate link straight from these videos and this actually works in any niche. So this is a free traffic software that allows you to send traffic to your affiliate links or any other link you want to send some free traffic to. Also, bonus number 2, you are going to be getting access to 200 plus mega background music tracks that are copyright free and you can actually use on any of your project. Creating videos, putting these voiceovers on them. You can basically go on Google and go and search for any topic like how to make money online, how to lose weight, copy the text from that website, go and place it inside Romeo, create your voiceover, now add some mega background music on this, and then you have some high quality video that's ready to go on Facebook, on YouTube, or any other social media platform to start getting some traffic. Now, this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to be showing you how to do all of this inside this bonus. This is bonus number 3, and this allows you to get paid without showing your face on camera. You are going to be able to, create this amazing content without you having to ever show your face on camera. And this is going to be some high quality content that is proven to get you some traffic, and I'm going to be revealing to you a number of ways you can actually make money following this simple procedure. Also, bonus number 4, I'm going to be giving you access to a done for you. This is a automated Quora traffic software with done for you content to drive traffic on Quora. Now, this is something that you will be able to set up on autopilot. Quora is a question and answer platform that people come and ask questions about what's bothering them in any niche, and this is an opportunity for you not to crack your brain to answer questions, because you are going to be able to answer these questions on autopilot, and this works in any niche, and you're going to be able to ultimately drive some high quality traffic from Quora to any affiliate link, ClickBank affiliate link, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or any other affiliate networks that you are trying to promote products from and make money with free traffic. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to the pro version of my cloud-based software. That's Octagon. This gives you access to done for you high quality product reviews from ClickBank, from Warrior Plus, and these reviews, once you activate your access, which include copying your profile, your username from ClickBank, and go and add it to your profile here on Octagon. Once you save that, your links become active on all these done for you product reviews, and then people actually visit these pages to purchase. You actually get paid as an affiliate. Also, bonus number 6, you are going to be getting access to some custom HD intro videos to actually make your videos to come alive and get a ton of attention. Also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to 400 images and quotes. You can either use this individually, or you can actually use this in videos also to boost conversions and ultimately drive some traffic. Also, bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to PowerPoint video templates. Now, these templates are done for you. All you need to do is load them up in PowerPoint. You don't need any special software to load them up. Once you load them up and you customize them, change text, change images, you can actually hit the export button to get your MP4 videos ready to go on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or any other platform. Also, bonus number 9, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. And how to lock in all these bonuses is just to click on any of the red buttons on my bonus page. If you click on any of the red buttons on this page, it's going to take you to the sales page of Romeo, where you're going to be able to pick up Romeo. That's anytime from 11 a.m. 26th of October. And then this is the sales page where you're going to be able to pick up Romeo. And also on this sales page, you're going to be getting full information about this cloud-based text-to-speech software. So here it says world first AI-based real human-like voice-over builder platform at a low one-time price. Get instant access to the world's first AI-based voice-over builder platform to create any text into real human voiceover in just 30 seconds. Use and sell unlimited voiceovers to your clients with commercial license. So you're actually going to be getting access to commercial license also, even with the front end. So feel free, come check out this sales page in your own time to get more information about Romeo. You are also going to get proof of results right here on this sales page. Come check this out in your own time to get full information about this. So right now I'm going to show you the pricing, and then I'm going to let you see how Romeo works. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is pretty cool. And then there are some optional upgrades. You have the Romeo Unlimited that goes for $47. You have the Romeo Done For You that goes for $197. You have the Romeo Agency that goes for $67. You have the Romeo Daily Income that goes for $37. And then the final upgrade is the Romeo Traffic Club that goes for $77. So that's going to be my review of Romeo. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Right now, you're going to see the full demo of Romeo.
Hello, and welcome to Romeo, the #1 AI-based real human-like voiceover builder platform. Romeo is integrated with the incredible text-to-speech service of AWS, Google, and IBM. Our AI-based voiceover software is so profitable that we also use it ourselves to sell successful voiceover services. Our business clients use it to save thousands of money. Our TTS service covers 80+ languages and multiple voices and accents. Romeo is basically the solution to all your voiceover problems. Quickly, let me give you a tour of this awesome software. First, you can find here the text-to-speech option, and from here you can find the language you'd like to use. So if you said select English over here, you can put the text here and preview the result in a bit. Okay, let me do a quick text so you can see for yourself. I'll copy and paste my text here, then click on Preview.
Affiliate marketing in 2021, what it is and how you can get started.
So this is how you can preview the text-to-speech feature. Over here, you can find two kinds of voice. The first one is the standard neural voice, and the second one is the AI voice. You can find these sample voices over here. As you can see, we have multiple male and female voice samples. Now, if you click on the Synthesize to File, the original voice will be available over here. Now, if you choose another language, let's pick the Chinese language, then we preview it here.
Affiliate marketing in 2021, what it is and how you...
You can find the same for Germany, France, Italy, and all these languages are available over here. You only need to choose which one you like to work with and preview. Okay, from here you have the output volume, and here you have the speaking rate. Now, if you want, just click over the download option, and it'll be downloaded in an MP3 format, and there's more action to view, delete, and all. Going forward, image search and image editor features. Here we have our training videos, which cover all the tools and how to use them. Over here, you can upgrade your account anytime you want, and then here is the support ticket. You can reach out to us 24/7, and our support agent will be on standby to assist you. So here it is, guys. I believe you already love this software. We can't wait to have you using it. We'll see you inside the software.